guys, and welcome back to another episode of Pristine Automotive Designs. Now, there's not much going on in the car community around the Charleston area right now, so I figured I'd just kind of have a fun car day for myself and my girlfriend that's in the car. But we just kind of are probably going to just go around to a few of my favorite spots, take some cool pictures of the car. As you guys can see, you've seen this road on plenty of my videos, so it's just one of my first fun places to make videos and just come have a good time. So I'm gonna throw the drone in the air, get some cool footage, and kind of just show you guys some of my cool spots that you probably see in the videos over time. But we're just gonna throw it all in one video and just have a good time. But look how good that looks. That looks cool. Yes, I'll see you guys in a second. So we were finally in the second spot. We stopped to get something to eat, and we picked up Patrick in his car. When he gets out, I'll probably get him to move right here. He's out of the car right here. And it's kind of like this abandoned warehouse type of deal. You guys have seen it in one of the videos. There's also the stairwell all the way up there. I can get some cool shots. But it's just like a cool little interesting place. You can hear trucks going on in the back. Take pictures and come do video and just kind of hang out. It's like an abandoned warehouse, like I said. There's like garages and stuff right here. And like when I get pictures with the drone from like up higher, it looks kind of like FORZA, and I just think that's super cool. And like, you know, you just have like a, like where you, yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. The last and final spot is kind of like the other side of the hospital or schoolyard, and you see the cars over there and Patrick's cars over there. He wanted to try to take some pictures, so I let him take the camera for a minute and take some pictures. I can see it's right there. I guess not zooming in, it's right there. I'm gonna throw the drone up for a little bit and kind of so you guys can see exactly where I'm at and like all the background and nature and goodness and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna take a few more pictures. This sun is wonderful. It's a little hot though. But I'm gonna take a few more pictures and I'll see you guys in the drone footage. at the next spot, and it's kind of like this cool abandoned garage thing. I think this used to be like abandoned hospital, like Patrick said, but I probably won't throw the drone in the air because there's like trees and stuff everywhere. I'll just take some cool like pan shots with the camera and my phone and whatnot. But yes, to the next spot. It looks pretty cool with the lights there, and kind of like having like a nice outside concrete garage.